how to knit clean line. Shamat, understood, beta? Just knit to the clean line, okay? Because Indian painting is a line-based drawing, so no like if lots of sketching here and there. So make it this very clean line. Erase it and make it a clean line. One. So no. That's why I'm using this. So one clean line. That is the Indian painting. USP, you can say. This is the any other painting. There's oil painting, western painting. There's lots of line, patching and everything there. But Indian painting is very clean line. That is only when you maintain, then it look like okay, it is Indian painting. So we have maintained these things. Clean and clear. So this purpose is only for understanding the all drawing, all medium is some technique is there. So what is this Indian, this medium, what techniques is there? Okay, I using this will line, this line. One reason, because we are making the cubism art style. This is some blocks. I'm doing some block. This lots of paintings. It's called this cubism, Dalism. This is cubism period art form. Break with the block. Okay. Now is new art form is coming. It's called the AI art form. So everybody have color. I just give it the yellow and red. Why you are scared around? Something smell, no?
Sir, it smells like boiled eggs and spine tea.
Done? Oh, sorry.
Like
Done?
boiled eggs.
Just ma'am.
आपको zoom out करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ. Whatever color you take from here, you can yellow, white. I just show you beta. Here is the color is red, blue, orange.
You got two different colors. Brown or one says dark brown, one says sienna.
One sienna.
So this one says dark brown.
Yes, dark. This is dark brown. Almost the same. Okay. Let's start. I hope fine. Drawing is done. Just erasing the. Mama. Who's yours? Yours. Okay, need to change, right? Little bit of. Just this part, the print will change. It's gone. Sorry, I feel that it need to. It has been. Yeah, they're not after the reusing. It's not. Mama, can you this board? Give me your boards also. Okay. I'll have to take this color orange, Prussian blue, red. Okay, little one drop. Okay. If you need, take palette beta. Red color is there only. There will be all palettes. Just take it out. Shamath, take one drop, okay?
Which colors? All these colors?
All no. What colors are red, blue, yellow, white. And Tansan also because little yellow ochre is there. Blue, red, yellow, white, black. One drop. Mama, take it.
Should I keep this inside?
Huh? One time. That much is enough. Huh? Take one drop, very less color needs just for 2-3 times brush. So don't take this full. Just drip the. No using this Prussian blue from here. All I use is scale only, not to maintain the color quantity. You use whatever you need, but not wasting. So. Who's drawing this one? Yes.
Sir, this is black. We need black. Yes, sir. We need black. That is it? Oh, her name is
Yes. No canvas, paper only. Everyone doing paper only, no? Simple. Not yellow. Why are you asking canvas? Okay, then use this one. No, I just use this. हाँ, बस one time, one drop. Okay, remember? Take it with the Prussian blue color is not there. This is black and Prussian blue. Very little, okay? Drop. If you need, again you take, but not together. Prussian blue is there. First pick. Yes, I just show this. Blue use this one. This. Why you are smell this? This is color. It is not fast.
Sir, smell it on purpose. We just happen to inhale.
Why you inhale?
Sir, I should have we give a read, sir?
Why you take this one?
Sir, this smells like water.
Change the water. Okay, it's there, no? That's everywhere. Okay, cool. Done? Color is done. Chalo. Next, just one thing I do very quickly. It is our practice, scale practice. Okay, our main drawing is spill painting. So I am not spending lots of time. For next 10 minutes, we will finish it. So this keep in your mind and then start. Okay, don't do lot, take slowly like this. It is up. Every day we are develop our new skill, new techniques, new art form, and as soon as we are going to our main painting. Okay, so one is study, one is sketching. This is a sketching kind of. Chalo. So just I take this color from here. So this yellow color when take now it is coming more. So it's like just that much color is enough. Everybody, just make sure how much color you take it. Okay, put it here only. Just little bit up. That much is enough. If you again need, you can take it. Okay, yellow. I show how much color it take. Prussian blue. I need the red. Okay, this is the red. That's all. I need the red, Prussian blue, white and black also. I just take the black. Black very less. Okay, just this is blue. Now start. All of you ready? 3, 2, 1, start. So I am using a 2 brush. This is a 2 brush I'm using over here. Sorry, something coming in front. Okay. So just take this. See here. Follow for here. What I do? Just take this big brush. I take the big brush. I just take orange. See this orange and yellow. This side. Don't talk. Focus full and no sound. Okay. Shamat and you know sound. Focus. Learn the discipline of senior class. Okay, no problem.
Sir, give me a tissue.
Cloth is there. No problem, beta. It's happening. Focus this side. Don't talk on this about. Be careful, okay, water and palette. Chalo. Can I start now? Take one chair and put your water cup. From there, washroom only. Okay, everything is clean there only. This not using for washroom, only for color painting. Okay, I just start from this. Okay, I'll let you just focus quickly. Okay, I just how to create this. The lots of confusion can clean. Okay, and I just make it the first. I'm not see this line. Shamat again. You this side only focus. No, the different palette using. Non-stop talking, and then they disturb everybody. Focus. Learn discipline of this senior class. It is not allowed at all in discipline. Okay, this nicely colored. I'm using the Prussian blue and red. Sorry, yellow and red. Not Prussian blue. First. Take what color you need using, no? Little. Okay, I'm not using the full color. I'm using little water also, but it is color is 50%, water 50% like this. Okay, because I'm using paper. It is not. Wait. Hold little. Now, bus. That much. Leave it. Done. First, that much done quickly because the brush stroke is also not visible. Okay, make sure. Now I'm using the yellow ochre. Bus, go. Now yellow. Here, see this brush. How I am using the brush. See this take it. This techniques this should be learned. Okay, this is how I yellow. So brush is that brush and using like this. So no any patching inside. Okay. Done. So this is I told you this is some cubism art form. So it is. Don't think about how it is. This side is yellow, this side black. So it is an abstract painting, cubism from. So it is this side is coming the yellow. Okay, make sure water. My skin is little bit of always showing more saturated. So yellow showing orange showing red. Like this. So little bit of if you feel this orange, then making the red only. Okay. So it is actually showing the deep yellow or orange kind of. Actually, it is yellow. Okay. Done. Make sure it is a practice brush. I just feel that I'm not using any stroke or patching is there. Very nicely mixing. That is missing your drawing. So I try to this not missing these things. And also fast. Okay, so this is help your drawing. So I just next is I take the white color. I take in white color.